ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टथा अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेथं धार्यते जगत् ययेथं धार्यते जगत्। Seventh chapter, fourth and fifth sloka. In this, Bhagavan Krishna says very clearly, the whole world is compared to individual, and what is that? He is comparing the which is two types of knowledge: Paravidya, Aparavidya, Chetanam, Achetanam, Jada Prakriti, Jiva Prakriti, or Atma Prakriti. The Panchaputas, earth, water, fire, wind, and Akash, mind, intellect, and Ahankara. O Arjuna, please understand my lower nature, which is Jada Prakriti, which is Achetana Prakriti, which is body-mind complex, are divided into these 8 types. Panchaputam plus mind plus intellect plus Ahankaram. This Achetanam are 8 types. Which change happens. But change is apara, changeless is para. This is my lower nature. That also be only, but that is lower nature. But my upper nature or higher nature or the real nature is changeless. That is consciousness. That is consciousness. That is Paravidya. That is Chetana Prakriti. That is Jiva Prakriti. This is Jata Prakriti. That is Jiva Prakriti. That is Jiva. Experiencer, experienced object. The experienced objects are those which are all keep changing. The experiencer, that is what is the body related, that is called Jata Prakriti. Regarding body, what are all the things are available in front of you, everything are keep changing. But the Jiva, the Atma within you, that is just quietly watching everything. He is experiencing everything, but he is changeless. That is my higher nature, Arjuna, which the Jagat is sustained, which the universe is sustained. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. Yam dharyate jagat. So the whole world is sustained. The whole universe is sustained because of my higher nature. That is my Jiva Prakriti. That is my Chetana Prakriti. That is my consciousness. That is called Paravidya. Not because of my lower nature, which is Aparavidya. that is Jada Prakriti, that are eightfold: earth, water, fire, vayu, wind, and akash, sky, mind, intellect, and ahankara. So please understand, my dear Krishna, the lower nature also me, the higher nature also me. But the whole universe is sustained because of the higher nature. So, my dear Arjuna, you have to understand one's own higher nature. Jiva, Atma, the knowledge which you have to understand, assimilate, feel, and enjoy is nothing but Paravidya, nothing but your own Atma. That is Atma Jnanam, that is Tattva Darshanam. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. So tomorrow we shall see sixth sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Tat Sat.